Oh yeah, I love what I do. I feel like I'm the luckiest person in the world, tied for luckiest. A lot of lucky people. And to be able to do what you feel is your calling, I mean, I just evolved into this.
Hi, I'm Sarah Gosselin. I'm from Goleta, California.
And why do you come to the market?
I come to the market to support local farmers and to know where I'm getting my food from. I love to know that my fruits and veggies are locally grown and organic.
Okay, my name is B.D. Douch, and I have Earth Trine Farm, and we've got about 10 acres in Ojai and 5 acres in Carpinteria that we're farming on. It's all certified organic by CCOF. And we sell mostly at the farmers market, and also we sell to caterers, schools, restaurants, and produce stand. Only one store. We try not to do any shipping, and we try to keep it all local. So it's all staying in the community.
We definitely have access to some of the nicest produce around. I don't know how I'd run my restaurant without all these farms, that's for sure. This is where the magic starts.
Eating local is the way we should be eating. I mean, there's no reason for us to go 500 miles. We don't need anything from Iowa or anything from farther than what we can do here. And so the farmers market here allows us to have a product from, say, 70 miles, 50 miles, from, say, local, Goleta and Oxnard and whatnot.
Earth Trine is an astrological term. It means harmony of the earth elements. And when I started the farm in 1986, I'm a Virgo, my son, my firstborn son, is a Taurus, and my wife is a Capricorn. So we are the three earth signs. So we form a grand earth triune, or earth trine. So if you understand astrology, there is absolutely no other name that you could possibly choose for the farm other than Earth Trine Farm. Within the first season, really, we had surpluses of cherry tomatoes and some culinary herbs that we had growing. And so we went to the co-op and said, oh, we've got these cherry tomatoes. You want to buy any? And they bought them. And I went, whoa. And then over the years, we planted a little more specifically to sell. And then in 1978, somebody started a farmer's market in Santa Barbara, the first one. And so we started selling at the market, just the surplus from the garden. Wait, stop, cut. We certainly have a symbiotic relationship with the community. People are so happy that we're dedicating our lives to providing them with food and recipes and health tips and jokes, and they get to see you and your family and get to know you completely.
Walk around town and hey, 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 it's all from the market.
Organic is growing. It's really getting to be a bio-favorable farming world that we're looking at. People are looking for organic, and there's the growth and evolution into a more pure way of eating and living. I'm glad to have been a part of it, and I'm glad that people are carrying it on, because it's important. Anytime you can contribute to the purity and to people seeking a more pure way of living in an otherwise toxic world, it's all for the good.